Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of representing data. This is standard 3.8a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 6 off the 2021 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a bar graph showing the number of math problems that each of the 5 students in class completed: Jeff, Amber, Gary, Farah, and Steve. And all we need to do is we need to match this bar graph to one of our answer selections, F, G, H, or J. But this bar graph is a little bit strange in 2 different ways. First off, it's horizontal, right? So it's going from left to right. Most of our bar graphs are vertical. They go from top to bottom. But we have a scaled interval here, right? So let's talk about what we have here on our side. It's on the bottom, normally it's on the left side. It's a scaled interval, which means our lines that we use to separate each unit is not counting by ones. If you take a look, we got 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, and then we've got some lines in between, right? So first off, let's figure out what we're counting by on the numbered lines. All right, so we got 0 to 6, so that looks like it's plus 6. 6 to 12, yep, looks like we're counting by 6s, right? So we've got an interval of 6 on the numbered lines. And what we need to do is we need to go ahead and put our numbers next to our people, right? So Jeff, he's got 6 because it goes right here to that 6th line. Amber's pretty easy, 24, right on that 24 line. But look at Gary. Gary is right in between 6 and 12. Farah is between 12 and 18. And then Steve is between 18 and 24. So we're going to need to do a little bit of work to figure out what those non-numbered lines mean. So let's put it on a number line, right? So let's look at 0 to 6. What we're looking for is this number right here, which is halfway in between. So what is halfway in between 0 and 6? Well, we do need to make half, so let's just do this. Let's just think of 6 like if we're rolling a dice, and let's cut out half. And if we cut it in half, what we're going to get is 3 and 3. So what it looks like is, at least in this first one, we might be able to say this first line that's not numbered is going to be 3, because that's halfway in between 0 and 6. So now we're counting by 3s. 0, 3, 6, add another 3. Possibly we could have 9, right? Which makes sense because look at now we still have a plus 6 in between the non-numbered lines. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Skip count by 3 again. And we're going to get 15, 18. Skip count by 3 again. We're going to get 21. And if we really need it, we'll get 27 up here at the very end. Now we can put our numbers. So Gary is right here on this 9. Farah is right here on this 15. And then Steve is over here, 21. So let's take a look at our answer selections. Jeff is 6. Yes. Amber, 24. Gary, 8. Nope. They didn't get the plus 3. So F is wrong. G. Jeff is 9, no. Amber, 24, yes. Gary, no. Fair, but that's weird, they got those 2 right. Well, no, because obviously we're going to need all 5 to be correct, not just 3. So Jeff, 6, yes. Amber, 24, yes. Gary, 9. 15, 21, I'm thinking is H. Let's make sure. Jeff, 6. Amber, nope. Ooh, that's tricky. That's almost correct. But our answer is H.